Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When you sneeze, the intrathoracic pressure in your body momentarily increases. This will decrease the blood flow back to the heart. The heart compensates for this by changing its regular heartbeat momentarily to adjust. However, the electrical activity of the heart does not stop during the sneeze.
Take our lead.
Sneezing with your eyes open. Should you or shouldn't you? Yes, you can sneeze with your eyes open. And, no, the schoolyard legend, if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyeballs will pop out of your head, isn't true.
Let's help you make your mark.
Something to sneeze at. Men and women blink at the same rate, too. The instigation of the eye blink is even faster than the blink itself. The human eye's reflex elicited by an air puff is 30 to 50 milliseconds, better than 1/20th of a second.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Why do we make noise when we sneeze? The sound of a sneeze comes from the air escaping from your mouth or nose. Professor Harvey says the loudness of a person's sneeze depends on their lung capacity, size and how long they hold their breath for. The longer you hold your breath, the more dramatic you make it, he says.
Let's help you make your mark.
Which has certainly been done, by one of the guys on Mythbusters and countless others. It is certainly possible to keep your eyes open if you try while you are sneezing, but it requires working against the reflex, says co-author Vreeman, assistant professor of pediatrics at Indiana University School of Medicine.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.